Let me go with the 15th problem here. Right, so what they have given here is 1 that divided by 7 by 3 plus 1 by 7 that divided by 4 is equal to what? Right, so we know that the denominator of the denominator, right, so it goes to numerator. So this we can rewrite. I'll rewrite after simplifying. This will become 3 by 7, right? This go upwards, that is numerator, plus, right, the denominator of the numerator will comes to the denominator only. This will become, right, that is 3 into 1 here, 1 by, right, 7 into 4, which is nothing but 3 ones are 3 by 7 plus 1 by 28, right? Now 7 and 28, we need to find the LCM of 7 and 28. LCM of 7 and 28. So 7 and 28. So both are multiple of 7. So 7 ones are 7 fours are. Right. The LCM is going to be 7 fours are 28. So this is nothing but 7 into 4. Right. This is LCM. Right. 28 is going to be the LCM. Right, now divide 28 by 7, that is going to be 4. 4 should be multiplied with 3 plus divide 28 by 28, that is going to be 1 multiplied 1. So 4 3s are 12 plus 1 1s are 1, that divided by 28, which is nothing but 13 by 28. This is the right answer. Let us check out here. So option B is the right one.